Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today I'll tell you how to manage opened apps and Windows on your PC. Let's dive in. Method 1. Use Task View to show all windows on the same screen. The Task View icon is on your taskbar by default, and it looks like 3 rectangular windows with a slider on the right side. This displays all open windows on a single screen and is the most straightforward way to see all open windows. If you don't see the Task View button on the taskbar, right-click the taskbar and select Show Task View button. You can also open Task View by pressing the Windows key plus Tab. Method 2. Cascade, stack, or show windows side by side. Another way to see all open windows on the same screen is to right-click the taskbar, and then choose any of these options to display all open windows. 1. Select Cascade Windows to show open windows cascaded, with each window's title bar visible. 2. Select Show Windows Stacked to display all open windows in one or more vertical stacks. The number of stacks depends on how many windows are open. 3. Select Show Windows Side by Side is similar to the stacked feature, but displays them horizontally rather than vertically. Method 3. Try Alt+, Tab to view and switch between apps. Release the Tab key while continuing to hold down Alt to display all open windows. This shortcut is great for quickly switching between open apps using keyboard keys instead of your mouse, but it's also a quick way to see which windows are open. Method 4. View all open apps and processes with Task Manager. You can open it quickly by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape at the same time, or by right-clicking the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. When Task Manager opens, you'll see a brief list of open apps. Click More Details to view more information, including a list of processes running in the background. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.